Your PX-iP gateway is the intelligence center of your Pyrexx Wi-Fi smoke alarm system. With the gateway, you can easily connect your PX-1C radio-linked smoke alarms to the Internet. To perform the initial setup of the PX-iP gateway, you have to be registered in the Pyrexx web app. To do so, open the website www.pyrexx.com/app in your browser and set up a user account under Register. To complete this step, please follow the instructions in the web app. Click on New Device and assign the gateway to a room. Now enter the serial number and then the verification code. Both can be found on the underside of the device. Finally, save your information. You will now see your gateway under the heading Devices. In order to proceed, click on PX-iP Gateway. In the drop-down menu, choose Radio Group, then Gateway Functions, and click on Install Gateway. Follow the steps in the web app. Click either Set up LAN connection, or if you want to connect the device wirelessly, set up Wi-Fi connection. Now connect the included USB cable with the power adapter and plug it into an outlet. Please note, for a wireless connection via Wi-Fi, the gateway must be directly connected with a LAN cable during installation. Now that the gateway is connected with the LAN cable, plug the USB cable into your gateway and lastly, click on Establish Connection. Establishing the connection can take up to 3 minutes. Now your gateway is successfully connected to the server. If you have set up your gateway via Wi-Fi, you can now remove the LAN cable. Now start setting up a radio group together with your radio-linked smoke alarms. The signal LED will help you with the installation of the radio group. You can start the initial setup of the radio group using any desired device. In order to avoid radio signal interference, a minimum distance of 2 to 3 meters between all devices at their final mounting locations must be maintained during activation. To start up the device, remove the split pin from the activation button and push it in completely. Wait until a signal tone indicates that the PX-1C smoke alarm is ready. This may take a moment. A red LED signals that no other radio-linked smoke alarm is in learning mode. Now push the radio button with the split pin until the LED shows a steady yellow light and then release the radio button immediately. The LED will blink yellow, then light up green, and finally blink yellow in longer intervals. Activate additional devices by pushing the activation button on the next PX-1C. After you hear the signal tone, the LED will blink yellow first, then light up green, and finally blink yellow in longer intervals. Each device in the radio group extends the learning mode. In addition to the gateway, you can add up to 14 radio-linked smoke alarms to the radio group. After you have integrated the desired number of PX-1C smoke alarms into the radio group, the gateway can now be added. To do so, switch off the gateway by removing the USB cable from the device. A signal will sound as a result, and the B button will blink. To turn off the device completely, briefly press the B button. Before the next step, make sure that the gateway is in its final location. Now connect the gateway again with the USB cable. Please make sure to first plug the adapter into the outlet and only afterwards plug the USB cable into the gateway. The gateway will automatically scan the surrounding area for other radio group members in learning mode and then integrate itself into the radio group. To end the learning mode and the installation, briefly press the A button on the gateway. You have now successfully connected your smoke alarm radio group with the PX-iP gateway. If you have questions regarding the product or need help with the installation, please contact us.